Hi everyone. Today we are building a Polygon generator using Python Turtle graphics. So this program automatically draws different shapes from triangle to decagon using loops and geometry logic. So this is the preview. It draws shapes from triangle to decagon and it randomly chooses different colors for each shape. So this is what we are going to build by the end of this video. So let's start coding. We need to import turtle module. So from turtle, import turtle, and we also need screen. So screen, and let's create turtle object and give it a variable. Let's say team and turtle, and create screen object also. Give variable. Let's say screen equal to screen, and if we run it, then our window just disappear within a fraction of second. So to keep window on screen, we have to set it as screen.exit on click, and if we run it again, yeah, it is staying on screen. Now to draw any shape, we have to move our turtle by a particular angle. For example, to create a square, we have to turn our turtle by 90 degree, and for pentagon we have to turn it by 72 degree, like that. So for that, create one variable. Let's say angle equals to, and the full rotation is 360 degree. So 360 divided by number of sides, and let's say number of sides. And we also have to move our turtle. So let's say team dot forward and give it some value like 100, and move it to one side and give it as angle like team dot right and our angle. But we want our turtle to move number of sides time. For that, create one loop. Let's say for in range of number of sides, and give number of sides, for example 3, and now run our program and check if it's working or not. Yeah, it is working. Now we want to create different shapes again and again. So for that, create one function like define draw shape, and give it like number of sides, and just simply remove it and add it in a function, and create one loop to draw shapes from triangle to decagon. So for that, it's a shape of side n in range of from 3 to, we want decagon. So for that, let's +1 and call our function draw shapes and give it argument as shape in side n. Now let's run our program and check if it's working or not. And yeah, it is working fine. Now our next task is to give it color randomly so that it generates random colors for each shape. For that, let's create one list of colors as color and give it any color you want. So here I take general colors. If you want different colors, you can go to Google and search for turtle colors in Python, and you can pick colors from there. But for now, we have to randomly choose colors from this color list. For that, import random module. Let's say import random, and let's give it here as team.color, and from random.choice and our colors, and let's run it. Yeah, it is randomly picking color, but if you see, it is very thin, so we have to change the pen size, and we also have to change the speed. It is very slow, I think. Give it here as team dot pen size as 2 and team dot speed as fast. You can give fastest also, but fast is also good. And let's run it again. So this is our overall project. It is a very simple project, and here is a challenge for you. Try to modify this code. Instead of taking colors as colors list, you can enable the RGB mode so that you can generate any color randomly. Try to complete this challenge. Don't worry if you don't make it. I will cover it in our next project, but definitely give it a try and paste your code in the comment section. And if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.